She's like, yeah, he's like, now I gotta smoke them a little bit more now.
Oh yeah, this drives them down in the...
They belong to a man called
Whoa. They're just like
Didn't he used to
hanging
have
off
some
of
that
it.
were all the way back there?
They moved them. He moves them
Yeah.
once in a while.
It's the many in there, you can't see them, but it looks just like that, the honey one, but it's brown. The cap is brown.
Hmm.
Okay, let's put this back and then we'll close them up.
That's really cool. Papa, did you build that?
He's pulling them all off.
Yeah,
You need to
I built
push
some
them up
of them. I don't know if I built this one or not. No, this is one that was given to me. This is an old one here. All right, boys, girls, let's get back in here. Now you always want to keep them,
Kind of close together.
yeah, you want space on either side of them.
So when you stack those back up there, is it going to squash them? Or is
I'm
it
going to try to get them down. You're going to squash some, but I'm going to try to get them down in here.
they're running from that smoke, aren't they?
Yeah.
So I thought they were.
All right,
Do they like being smoked?
No. Doesn't seem like it.
Seemed like a lot of them started flying around when he did that, didn't it?
Oh, this one's heavy. It's got the honey in it.
Oh, you crushed one.
Yeah, you can.
It happens once in a
It
while.
happens.
They were asking what happens to them when they die. Do they just fall?
But yeah,
They just die
they,
wherever
they keep it clean. When they die, they'll drag it out.
So they'll drag their own, like
Sorry.
they'll take the dead ones and just throw them out of there?
Yep. They drag it out.
It's a very organized thing.
Yeah, it sounds like it is.
See, if the government and people ran their business the way the bees do it.
Yeah. That's really How cool. do they get back in there?
Right. Well, come around to the front. There's a slot. See that slot down there?
Oh, yeah. That's
These
where
are
they come in
ventilation
at.
holes, and they can come and go through there.
And on this one, he was telling us where they come and go. They're closing it up.
What is that liquid? Is that
That's
like
it's
Sugar
sugar
water.
water.
sugar water?
Sugar water with some
There's not
basically
much
vitamins in it.
Mm. And they drink it, or?
They drink it, yes. When there's no pollen, you need to feed them, especially through the winter. All right.